There's no freaking way. Piss off.
I mean, it is doable, obviously.
It's hard.
It's a lot easier doing it like this.
There's one achievement, and that is one of the hardest achievements on the Xbox 360. Believe it or not. So there are some people who have played this game.
Music,
right? They've played this game to the point where this
is the only achievement they're missing.
Well, some of them haven't got it still.
Yeah, I'm with the full sympathy. Yeah, but it's all bands.
You're doing better than last time. Oh!
Clutch!
Oh, no! Okay, how the hell could a car go out the window? Yeah, that makes sense.
You know they start throwing cars at some point.
I was just hoping it's not past feeling long in the helicopter.
Oh, believe me. The amount of rage. The amount of tears of rage.
Last year I had on this.
Oh. You was sat there for about an hour trying it though, like. It was getting to the point where me and Pete were like, give us a go. See if we can do it worse.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even...
And ironically, I think we had the same sort of weather.
Yeah.
Yeah, this game does piss you off, especially on this section of the game.
It's just easier to dodge the cow.
Why didn't you die?
Yeah, we know about that. We did that last year. This skirt achievement.
That's the first thing I did.
You tried it. You fucking tried it. You got pretty far in it all, like all things considered. You got to the bit right at the end where it's the 3 columns.
I really wish I had an auto fire controller. See how fast this thing will fire.
You have a string of red in front of you. Right, go left or right, probably right or left, don't know. This tune though.
80s glory. This is why I like the 80s music.
This tune just makes me think about all of what happened last year.
Yeah,
this is going to be one of those songs that are going to be like the Impossible game. You keep playing and it just never get any further. It's like you really want to finish the rest of the song.
Go! Oh! That's wang dodge.
What the?
I guess it's literally karma.
Go left.
Incoming speaker box.
This was the bit you managed to get to without firing last time.
Yeah. But screw that.
He's not taking no chances.
I shot.
And we say that, and yet this.
And then he takes a chance.
Don't take any chances.
Take a chance on me.
I'd rather stick on 13 black, to be honest. 13 is black number that you, isn't it? Or is it red?
32 black.
13.
No, it's 32 red. As the website goes.
Next minute, all you see the borders land on the green 0. And then nobody wins.
Unless someone betted on 0.
Yeah, but here's the thing though. What if someone did bet on 0? Like, would they get a lot more for it because it's like literally 1 in however many was on
No,
the
it's
reel?
because, no, you get the same amount as if you betted on another single number piece. Instead of 1 in 32, it's going to land 1 in 33 technically, on any number.
So yeah.
So you get exactly the same if you bet everything on 0 as you would if you bet everything on 17.
Ooh. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, a human takes, well, one of these human things take 4 hits to kill. Yeah, it takes a card 2.
You mean not getting headshots from the zombie?
Headshot.
You're getting body shots. Everyone knows they're zombies knows that body shot doesn't kill them. What? Didn't we remember work out that it was actually better to be on the right there? Down or up?
Yeah, I think we got...
You got to there.
You can tell by the music. The tempo goes.
This is-
You can do this! No, just concentrate!
Imagine how much you'd rage if you got that far without firing and you fell through one of those.
I don't care for the achievement.
No, how much rage you had if you got literally to those 3 moving bits.
When can we check messages, like we said at the end?
Yeah.
Or while Shan's maybe doing like a bit of a glitch fest or something, if there are any.
No.
There are no glitches in this.
That we found anyway.
Like no clips out of bounds or anything.
Shut point!
I don't know any of them.
Oh god.
This bit.
I don't care.
Still a bonus out of it, so.
But there's a lollipop on the top, so if
Like
you
we
actually
need
really...
that.
What?
If you want to
Lollipop.
get the... well, there's an achievement where you got to collect all the lollipop wrappers.
Yeah.
And that is a part of it.
I just had a birthday. I got a chocolate.
I'm just looking around for stuff.
Right, I got to go around and go into the building. Yeah, I've forgotten about that. It's been a year.
Yeah, but it's not good to be writing on inanimate objects when you're meant to write on paper.
Here you go, go off the fence.
Go and get your... Go and get your
Why can't you just
pad and
walk
you can
off
write
that
on
way?
that. You know, your book, your Elsa book.
You're close to
You
the
had
boss
for
now, aren't you?
Christmas.
It is close to the boss, isn't
The
it?
Elsa book that was that round, down and around you somewhere.
Anyway, I'm just going to
Oh, she's lost the lid to that again.
unless you actually have to make it, yeah? X, 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 X. That's not even a lollipop wrapper. That's a standard lollipop.
Oh.
Okay, I'm changing your sister.
But either way, I did it anyway. Second time.
Hashtag challenge.
She wants a book one to write in.
Very, very slightly lost.
I gotta go for a building. I know that for a fact.
Yeah, but
So go
this
through here.
is for your plastic thing and your plastic thing only.
I know, but I found that on the floor down by you.
What
But I don't know where the lid's gone.
No, it's right
Where's the
here.
lid?
Walk into the light.
Any idea?
It's probably on the fucking floor somewhere, just like a pen. It's down by there.
I was using my hair. I was biting my hair. Yeah, it's not there.
Yeah, it's
Ow! CB.
if you put things away properly, Kate, you would not.
Disco.
Oh, this guy.
Stop making fun of Stephen Hawking.
Them boots, though. That's the bad look.
Oh my god, it reminds me, yeah, of
Wait,
Disco Brook.
Oh, God.
I found it. I found some.
You're the one on the phone. Give me back my sister.
Mittens.
That's the way it's like.
The pointing doesn't work with mittens. It's just.
You might be falling around this way. Move.
Why does it look like she's got a cigarette there? I know it's a lollipop. It looks like a cigarette because you can't see.
Dude, give us now.
Hey, you don't like me.
He's a great man.
Piles of cocaine.
There's some cocaine C3PO. No way, Jose.
Well, no, I've never did this before. I've never played Simon as a kid, so... Oh my word.
Basically, the thing that pops up is the thing you have to do.
Yes.
So if the flash is red, you have to press red. If the flash is blue, you have to press blue. Flash is yellow, you press yellow. Flash is green, you press green. You get the picture.
I never played Simon as a kid.
It's fairly simple.
Surely you played it when we were doing Halo 3, like, Cops and Robbers. You remember that, yo? I know we didn't meet at the time, but you know.
I do remember that.
Like one of the best things that came out on Halo 3.
Well,
In terms of the custom game community, anyway.
you need bullet shells. You need more bullet shells. You need more bullet shells. It's not like Bioshock, you can buy them. You have to buy a shotgun because you don't get them more. You don't have bullet shells. You got maxed out bullets. I love the bombs. The bombs are cool.
Oh, good dodge.
No, what am I doing? Oh! Dropping F-bombs!
You just looked behind you. Oh, hello.
And the artillery misses! And the EMX-30 misses again!
All the misses.
That's too much fun. The luckiest fuck alive.
Oh, I thought something from the plane.
And he's not dead!
He's about to fire off the Doomsday device.
Eclipse cannon fire!
I can't find it anywhere. No, I couldn't. It's not even empty, it's so full up. Found it!
I think there's an achievement where you go actually destroy all the nodes surrounding
If I remember
the
correctly,
ship.
the achievement is you have to beat the win the fight with like 10 seconds up the clock or whatever. Well, I wouldn't go for it just in case. You have to break the nodes anyway.
Repair shells is cutlet. Leave it.
Yeah, you gotta keep shooting the nodes, break the nodes and things.
Don't drop it. Drop that, it'll be very, very upset.
Because it breaks the shield. He's back. No. Oh, dude.
That's bad.
I think you got the solenoid, no? That's probably hysterically wrong, but...
Eight doubles, 5 triples and 2 errors. Cutting through invincible on what? Oh, we went 30-0 on a multi-team game. But red team were playing the objective too much, so we could have got way more.
The best I've ever done, I was one off an inconceivable in what race.
Well, I was with you in that.
Did you hear that? It's dangerous growing red. It's almost as close to it's dangerous to go alone. Take this.
Except it's not. Told you! You gotta run up and slice it.
Hoodoo shoot.
There you go.
Flat.
Well, before that's doing, let's just see.
Yeah, you didn't get it. No.
No.
Oh well. That sound though.
As he was one off an open before, and a teammate rushed me twice.
I've had 3 unpros total, I think.
Oh, naded him twice. He was annoyed. Oh.